In this quick video, I will show you the fastest way to get the auto clicker for your Roblox game. We will be downloading it directly from Microsoft Store. So you know this will be 100% legit and safe. Just open up the Microsoft Store in your Windows 11 and search for Auto Clicker. On your Microsoft Store, please go to OP Auto Clicker with the rating 4.6. Just go ahead and click on install. It will get installed quickly. And here we got our auto clicker. Perfect. Once you open this auto clicker, you will get few options here. You could set the click interval millisecond. Here you have the click option, and here you have the repeat option. If you want to start it, you could just go ahead and click on start button, or you could press F6. And here, if you go to hotkey setting, you have start and stop option as an F6. You could just go ahead and update your choice here. So that's it about today's quick and legit video, and enjoy your Roblox game. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more legit and safe videos.